Hi YouTube, it's Hope from Seedaholic Gardens again, and if I seem a little excited, it's because I am. I just got tagged by Paula from Just Living, and the tag was 5 reasons I go to YouTube. Turns out that was a thinker. I had to stop and think, why do I go to YouTube? My first reason was more information on gardening. For me specifically, I wanted to know how to get bigger hauls. I'd gotten sick a few years ago, and I was bored with all my other sources of entertainment, if you will, and I stumbled across Patrick Dolan from One Yard Revolution's harvest video. I can't remember what year it was, which one it was, but I was hooked. Then I started searching harvest videos, and I've been following a lot of you because of them ever since. Second one was to learn new things, and for me, it's baking specifically. I am a terrible baker. My husband, fortunately, is a great baker. I'm a great cook, but baking is science, and you can, in cooking, add a snippet of this, and you can cook out of your head with the recipe and just do a dribble of this, a pinch of that. That doesn't work with baking. Then when they say 2 cups of this and a tablespoon of that, they really mean it. So I need to learn more about baking. My third one was to meet more people in the gardening community and also out of the gardening community, because I've met lots of interesting people on YouTube that I'm following that have nothing to do with gardening, that I just like their channels. My fourth reason was how-tos, from cooking recipes, building, fishing, hunting and butchering, homesteading, and to preppers, because I like to learn. I will tell my bosses if I go for a job interview, I appreciate the money, but any new knowledge I can gain, that is what motivates me more than anything. And that's honest goodness truth. And then my fifth reason would be entertainment, as I mentioned before. I just find so many channels entertaining. I'm subscribed to almost every gardening channel on YouTube because gardening is, I found out recently, not only my passion, my ministry. A lot of what I grow and produce, you will find as I load more videos, goes to my local food pantry and my congregation at my church to share. For me, there is no better feeling than helping other people eat. There just isn't. So those are my 5 reasons, and now I've got to tag 5 people, which I think is totally unfair. I got to tag more than 5, I'm sorry. The first one I'm going to tag is a channel that's newer called Amen Homestead, and I love the way she presents her information. She and her husband are just so sweet, and I just really like her channel, and she's putting up good production videos, and I just like her. Just go check her out. The next channel would be Devin B, and I am enjoying their videos because they're a little different from my usual genre. So when I need to take a break, I go over there and see what she's got going on, because there's always something on her channel, because she's got a ton of videos. It's just a lot of information, and I'm liking it. Then I am tagging BearFruit Gardening. I like Letitia. I think she's a sweetheart. I like the way she puts up her information. She's quick to tell you she's a newer gardener, but she's willing to try to learn and share everything she's doing. Full disclosure, success or failure, and she's doing great, I think, and I like the way she's giving of herself to us. I'm also going to share with you my son's band's music channel called Beyond a Dead End. One, because he's my son, of course, but also because I do happen to enjoy their music. I listen to their trailer. They have an album, I guess, coming out soon. But I also watched several of their live performance videos, and I really liked them. So if you're into music, you can go over there and take a listen if you would like. They do kind of an alternative rock. If you're wondering what genre, that would be them. I'm tagging another music channel called One Yard Revolution Music. I know all of you know that Patrick's got that awesome gardening channel, but did you guys know he is a singer, a guitarist, a bassist, and he's got a fantastic voice? If you haven't heard his music channel, go check it out. I have another one called Garden transfer. That's a young man named David who is really enthusiastic about his seed haul, is how I found him. And I've just been watching his updates on his seed starting and just watching his channel and watching him learn and grow. He's really a nice young man, and I like how he presents his information as well. So give him a look. And I am also tagging Rick Larson. Rick's up in Wisconsin, which is north of me. I am in zone 5B, south of Chicago. And I like watching Rick because I figure if he can grow it up in Wisconsin, it's going to grow here if I am diligent. He is also the first person I ever watched fish. It's a skill set I don't have. I love to eat fish. Anything that was in the water, pretty much I'll eat it. But it was just the coolest thing to me to watch him pull that fish out of the water because I'd never seen that live before. So I watch him, and I'm starting to watch other fishing channels to learn that new skill set. The last one I have for you is someone new called UT3220. And I met this channel through watching a channel called Butterfliez Home. And she happened to tag him in a challenge video about the name of his channel. And he was so transparent and honest and open. He and his wife and his family seem like really wonderful people. And I really liked that video. So I went back and started watching others. So go take a look and see what you guys think. Those are the people that I'm challenging. Your turn. Tag. You're it.